To have a relationship, you do not have to be friends at all. The fact that the president now and the deputy president do not talk to one another, it does not matter. At the beginning, they were talking very well. They were talking to one another very well. Rachel and Rachel and Dorcas were great friends. Some of us were very happy that you could see two wives, two presidents, all of them looking like people of the same family. That is the culture we want. That is civilization we want. That is the peace we want, so that we make sure that we can develop our economy. But not this kind of quarrels and so on, and where one now is able to convince others that we cannot work together, therefore we must divorce. Please come up with a judgment or come up with a ruling that you are not going to lift these conservatory orders. If you do so, you will be opening a chapter for this country which we may not be able to handle at all. Currently, let me remind you again, the deputy president is enjoying poll rating of 70% in the whole country. He has attracted sympathy votes from people who like him. And the Parliament or National Assembly, which actually impeached the deputy president, if you go through what happened, was a disaster, was disappointing. It is not something to be emulated at all. If you go to the other house, the Senate, again was a disaster. Lady, I have lived enough in this country, I've lived long enough in this country, and in particular in Nairobi. When you hear a rumor, do not be so small-minded and dismiss the rumor at all. The rumor usually has got some truth. So that when you hear Paul Mwita has been bribed, don't dismiss it quickly. There may be truth in it. When you hear Kibe was seen with so-and-so, don't dismiss it quickly. There may be truth in it. This is the ability that Justice Madden had, and that's why he was able to rise to where he was. The ability to be able to know what's going on in the country and so on. We are a corrupt country, and Besha still controls the country. It controls Parliament, it controls Senate. Let it not be said it controls judiciary. Thank you.